What's your favorite hobby?
I enjoy reading.
What are you doing?
I'm just relaxing.
Where are you going?
I'm heading to the park.
What did you eat today?
I had a sandwich.
Do you like to cook?
Yes, I love to cook.
What's your favorite movie?
My favorite is Parasite.
How do you get to work?
I take the bus.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m.
Where do you live?
I live in a small apartment.
What's the weather like?
It's sunny and warm.
What's your major?
I'm studying computer science.
Where do you study?
I go to the city university.
What's your favorite subject?
I like history the most.
What's your job?
I work as a designer.
Are you busy at work?
No, it's pretty slow.
How do you like your job?
It's challenging but fun.
Do you have a lot of homework?
Yes, I have a big assignment.
When is your next exam?
My exam is next week.
What's your professor's name?
Her name is Mrs. Smith.
Are you a full-time student?
Yes, I am.
How are you feeling?
I'm feeling good, thank you.
How was your weekend?
It was very relaxing.
Who is your best friend?
My best friend is Sarah.
Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a cat.
Where are you from?
I'm from Canada.
Do you have any siblings?
I have one sister.
What did you do last night?
I watched a movie.
Have you traveled much?
I've been to a few countries.
Can I help you?
No, I'm okay.
Are you married?
No, I'm single.
What are you going to eat?
I'm going to have pasta.
Where do you usually shop?
I shop at the local market.
What's your favorite food?
I love pizza.
Do you like coffee or tea?
I prefer coffee.
How much does this cost?
It's $10.
What's for dinner tonight?
I'm not sure yet.
Is the supermarket open?
Yes, it's open until 9 p.m.
What kind of food is this?
It's Thai food.
Can I get the bill?
Here you go.
Do you want dessert?
Yes, I'd love some ice cream.
What are you doing tomorrow?
I'm meeting a friend.
What time is the bus?
It's coming in 5 minutes.
When is your birthday?
It's in December.
Where are you going for a vacation?
I'm going to Mexico.
What do you want to be?
I want to be an engineer.
Are you going to the party?
I'm not sure yet.
How long are you staying?
I'm staying for 2 days.
Do you have any plans for the weekend?
I plan to stay home.
What movie do you want to see?
I want to see the new action movie.
When do you want to meet?
How about tomorrow at noon?
How was your day?
It was a long day.
Can you speak English well?
I'm still learning.
What's your phone number?
It's 555-234.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite is blue.
Is it cold outside?
No, it's quite warm.
What are you reading?
I'm reading a novel.
Do you have a car?
No, I don't.
What are you listening to?
I'm listening to pop music.
Did you have a good time?
Yes, I had a great time.
What is this called?
That's a fountain.
What did you buy?
I bought a new shirt.
Where are you standing?
I'm standing near the bench.
What's your name?
My name is Alex.
Who is that person?
That's my friend Lily.
What time is it now?
It's 5:30 p.m.
Is this seat taken?
No, it's free.
Can you help me with this?
Sure, what do you need?
What's your dream?
My dream is to travel the world.
What's the best advice you've received?
Always be yourself.
How do you stay healthy?
I exercise and eat well.
Is the park open all day?
It closes at dusk.
Are there many people here?
No, it's not very crowded.
Do you come here often?
I come here on weekends.
What's that building over there?
That's a gazebo.
What are the flowers called?
Those are tulips.
Can you see the pond from here?
Yes, it's just past the trees.
Is there a cafe nearby?
Yes, there's one on the corner.
What's your favorite season?
I love spring.
Did you bring a picnic?
No, not today.
What are the kids playing?
They're playing tag.